Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make this really cool Zig Zag Confetti. You mainly find this in stores, however if you don't feel like buying them, you can always make your own using colored paper and scissors. And before we get started, I just want to say that I am super happy today because today I turned 19 years old. And without further ado, let's get started. For this DIY, the only thing you need is a sheet of colored paper and scissors. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to grab your sheet of colored paper, you're going to fold it in half, hot dog style. Then you're going to cut along the folded line. Next, you're going to grab one of the half sheets and you're going to fold it in half, hot dog style. And then cut along the folded line. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to hold the paper horizontally, and what you're going to do in this step is you're going to fold the paper like a paper fan. And the way you do this is you just make a small fold like this. Once you make the fold, you just flip it back, flip the paper over, and you just fold the paper back. Flip it and fold the paper back. If your folds end up looking crooked, don't worry, just keep working with it. Everything is gonna be fine, because nothing is perfect. Afterwards, you're going to just cut little strips. So hold it horizontally and begin cutting little small strips. And that is the end result from using up just 1/4 of a page of paper. If you want to make more, just repeat the process and you can make as much as you want. Thank you guys so much for watching this video of me showing you how to make Zig Zag Confetti that is perfect for birthday parties, Easter baskets, or any other occasion that you think this DIY would be perfect for. And on that note, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, comment down below any video suggestions, and oh yeah, share this video. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye y'all.